Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to modify the username for the SQL users for Primavera P6. In this video I'm going to consider that you have forgotten the users for privuser, pubuser and both sys and system users from the database, along with the admin user for the P6 application. If the sys user and system users have been misplaced or the passwords have been forgotten, and these can be reset by logging into SQL Plus with the local administrator. To be able to do this, you'll need to make sure that the local user that you are connecting to is a member of the Aura DPA user groups. In my case, this has already been done. So I'm going to connect to SQL Plus with the following statement. So no user knows password as sysdba. Once connected, I'm going to alter the user sys and I'm going to change his password identified by password, and I'm going to type in password1 as my new password for the user sys. I'm also going to change the system user. And I'm going to change the privuser and pubusers. And I'm going to do an intentional mistake here, and I'm going to try to connect to the database using the old credentials. So in order to be able to connect to the database, you will need to change the passwords for both the pubuser and you'll also need to change inside the database the password for the privuser. So at the moment we will try to connect and we'll get back by private username or password. This is the expected behavior. In order to get over this error, we will need to also change the credentials inside the database. To do this, we'll use an utility included in the P6 standalone installer in the database folder. We'll launch the database logins utility. We'll connect to the database using the privileged user password, connecting to exe, and in here I'm going to change the password and save it. Once this is saved, we should be able to safely connect, have a safe connection to the database. And we have a successful connection. Next I'm going to also change the user in for the admin, because I'll consider that I forgot the password. In order to do this, we'll need to do an update statement for one of the tables. So we're going to do update users, actually ADM users, password equal to user equal to admin. That is admuser. Okay, and let's comment the changes. So here we'll try to log in with the wrong password, and it will give us an invalid credentials, but if we remove the password completely, we should be able to log in. And once inside the application, we can change the password for the users. The password can be changed by setting the password from the users tool. And now if we log in again, we have the passwords reset.